And it's a piece of tape you put on your nose that opens up your nostrils. Like, I think it's God's greatest creation. Like, it is changed my life for training and sleeping both.
What is it doing?
It opens up your nostrils, like your airway.
Oh, yeah?
And like, I have a deviated septum, so I can't really breathe through my nose. Like, in general,
Yeah.
I'm sure you know, like.
Yeah.
Yes, you can feel it? Yeah, a lot.
Oh my God. See this? I've had problems with breathing and blocked nose and everything from as long as I can remember. It's affected me when I play sports, if I go on runs, when I go to the gym. I've just discovered this device. And now look at this. Oh